Okay, this one's about principles of exponents. So if you are going to multiply them like this, a to the second to the third power, that means a to the second times a to the second times a to the second, you get a to the sixth. You multiply the exponents in that situation. Here, if you had, for instance, a to the second times a to the third, you'd have a to the fifth. This is just meant to be a really quick review because I'm trying to get it done in 2 minutes. So this kind you add. On this kind you subtract them. A to the third over a to the second, you subtract it. And you go a to the third minus a to the, 3 minus the 2 gives you a 1, so it's a to the first power. And if you're actually trying to subtract something like this, you can't do anything because you're not allowed to use unlike terms when you're doing this. So we can't do any of that. All right, now let's talk about a common mistake on principles of exponents. This compared to this one is equal to -9. This one is equal to +9. And why the difference? Because on this one, everybody makes the mistake on this one. They think that means -3 times -3, and it does not. If you want to prove it, you can type that into your graphing calculator just the way you see it there, and without any parentheses, and you will find that the answer comes out to -9. Here's a way to think of it. This power is going to be done before we apply the negative. That is 3 squared, and then you apply the negative. So it's 3 squared, which is 9, and now you apply the negative, -9. All right, another common mistake is if a kid has x squared is equal to, just say x squared. And then they say, oh, by the way, x is equal to -9. Now they don't know if they should do -9 squared or -9 with the parentheses squared. Well, it's actually this kind. When you're going to drop in x equals -9, it's best to drop it into an empty parentheses. That's what I tell my students for all variables. When you have a variable and you're going to drop something in, make an empty spot where it was, an empty parentheses. Then drop in the number, -9. So on this kind, you would end up with -9 times -9, which would be +81. All right, those are the common situations that you run into in this lesson.